this is English lesson. Now you are going to study about holiday fun in Unit 9 of Lesson 2. Everyone, now while you are watching the video, you are welcome to open your learner's book on page 128. So in lesson 1, we did discuss already about activities in the school holiday. And some of you have mentioned examples like playing games, right? And maybe also going somewhere, vacation, and then visiting relatives, family, and so on. Let's review a little bit. So the activities that you probably would like to do in the school holiday in June, you may have camping, or if you like sport, you can also find which what do you call a sport camp, right? Which sport camp you would like to join, okay? And also you can spend your holiday and playing football with your dad, with your brother, cousin, and so on. Spending time with grandparents, right? Visiting them if they live far away, and then help in your parents' shop. Okay, this is also one of the activities maybe can help you to spend the school holiday. Okay, in Unit 2, in Lesson 2, you are going to study about future predictions. What is that? Future prediction. So you predict something will happen in the future. What comes to your mind when you think about prediction? Of course, it's not true 100%, correct? Because you predict, so it means it could be 50% true or 50% untrue. Or maybe you can say that prediction could be happen or couldn't be happen. Okay. So in future predictions, friends, yeah. So based on the use of English, or we discuss about, or we talk about pattern, the pattern you use in future prediction is will, right? Because will is always used talking about future, and then will is always followed by verb one, friends. So verb one here without as, es, ing, or ed, right? Okay, so you use will or verb one to make prediction about future event. Okay, let's check one by one of these following sentences. Affirmative statement. Affirmative means a statement or positive statement, okay, without not, correct? Okay, I think I'll pass the exam in June. Now, everyone pay attention. I think is a clue of prediction, right? Because once you say I think, it is can be true or cannot, right? Okay, and I'll pass, I will pass. Pass is the verb one, friends, without es, without as, or without ing or e. I'll pass the exam. When will it be? In June, right? So in June, future. Okay, future time. Second sentence is, I think the organizers will supply everything for us to eat with. Okay, so all subject, friends, she, he, it, they, we, I, you, singular and plural, use will, okay? And followed by verb one. Okay, so you will not forget, correct? Okay. Now, how to make negative statement? Easy, friends. You only add not after will before the verb one. Let's check. I probably won't, will not, friends. Yeah, won't take my laptop. I might lose it. Right? Okay. So won't, will not, okay, and then take as the verb one, and then it resolves the negative statement. Yeah, okay. If I probably won't take my laptop, I might lose it, right? Okay, that's one. And the last one, how to make interrogative. Interrogative means question, friends. Okay, in question, you have to place will at the beginning of the sentence. Will followed by subject and then verb one. Will you join the camping next week? Again, next week indicates future time. Will you join? So you don't say, will you be joining? No, okay? So you just use the order of the pattern in interrogative. Will followed by subject and then verb 1. Will you join the camping next week? Okay. Another example. Let's go to the beach tomorrow. Tomorrow is the future time. And then I think, right? Okay, prediction. I think it will be sunny. Why you use be as the verb 1? Because sunny is the adjective, right? So be is used for noun and adjective, correct? Okay, yeah. So be is also verb 1, friends. There won't be any food left if we arrive late to the party. There won't be, will not be any food left. Be again as the verb 1 because we have food as the noun, correct? Okay, so there won't be any food left if we arrive late to the party. Okay, this is interrogative, friends. Will followed by subject and verb 1. Will they finish their homework before 6 o'clock? Before 6 o'clock also indicate future time. So example, the time when you say this sentence, example, it is around 2 o'clock. Of course, before 6 o'clock, right? So future time is not only indicate tomorrow and another day and so on, but also talking about specific time. Yeah, before 10 p.m. example, right? Okay. The last one, friends, talking about suggestion. So when you offer suggestion to your friend, what will you say? You should study harder to get better score in this term. Example, right? Mostly we use should, correct? Okay, now let's study more examples. Solutions you can use, okay? Suggestion you can use, okay? It's not only should, friends. You can say, how about? Why don't we? And let's. Okay, let's talk one by one. How about trying a new sport? How about studying? How about practicing math harder? So after how about, you use verb ing, correct? Okay. So change or add ing after the verb. Try, trying, practice, practicing. Why don't we? Why don't we? So a suggestion to you and also your friends, correct? Why don't we do one of the martial art classes? Why don't we study together? Example. Okay, and then another one, it is also common for you, right? Let's is let us, correct? Let's join a class together. Let's do math homework together. Okay. Let's try something different. So suggestion you can use is not only should, friends, but you also can use how about, why don't we, or why don't you, okay, yeah, or let's, okay. Try again, okay? So I'll see you in Zoom class and we will discuss more in activity book. Thank you, friends, and see you.